Hi everyone, welcome back to Eclipse Biology Discuss. Today we will discuss about the detailed structure of prokaryotic cell. In the previous lectures, I have discussed about the differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. What is prokaryotic cell and what is eukaryotic cell that we have discussed in the previous classes. Today we will discuss about the proper detailed structure of this prokaryotic cell. Okay, if we see a prokaryotic cell just like your bacteria, okay, it will look like this. If we see a prokaryotic cell, the outer covering of this prokaryotic cell is mainly made up of cell wall, but in some bacteria there is presence of another covering that is called as what? That is the capsule. Okay, this is additional covering or the envelope around some bacteria, and it gives protection against a particular host defense mechanism to this bacteria. Okay, this is the capsule, and inner to capsule there is presence of another wall that is called a cell wall. Okay, and inner to cell wall there is presence of another membrane that is called as plasma membrane. So this is the plasma membrane or cell membrane. Okay, and inner to this cell membrane there is presence of cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm. And you know that there is some ingrow of the plasma membrane found in case of bacteria cell. Okay, in case of bacteria there is presence of ingrow or infoldings of this plasma membrane. Okay, this is inward infolding inside the cytoplasm, and name of this infolding that is called as mesosomes. Okay, and some scientists or worker they believe that this mesosome may help in the respiration in case of prokaryotic cell. Okay, and just nearer to this mesosome there is presence of the genetic material or the DNA. Okay, or the area where this genetic material or the DNA is present, that area is called as nucleoid, or this may also call as genophore. Okay, nucleoid or genophore. So this is the genetic material in case of your bacterial cell or the prokaryotic cell. And if we see, this is the ingrow of this plasma membrane, but there is some outgrow of the plasma membrane found in case of bacterial cell. This outgrow that is called as what? This is called as pili or fimri. This is called as pili or fimri. Okay, so there is presence of pili or fimri which are helping in the attachment, as well as they are also called as sex pili if they are involved in the conjugation process. Okay, then in the cytoplasm there is presence of the ribosomes. As you know that in case of prokaryotic cell, what type of ribosome is present? That is the 70S type ribosome. Okay, so these are the ribosomes. And here in case of prokaryotic cytoplasm, there is presence of 70S type ribosome. Okay, and in some bacteria there is presence of another extra chromosomal material. Okay, this extra chromosomal material that is called as what? This is the plasmid. Okay, it bears some kind of genes, accessory genes, which are not so much useful for the bacteria, but they can have some your like antibiotic resistance genes are present in case of your plasmid. Okay, so it gives resistance against the antibiotic. If we take the antibiotic against the bacteria, then we will see a defense mechanism. We will show a defense mechanism against this bacteria. So this is the one of the function that is associated with the plasmid. Okay, this is the extra chromosomal genetic material. Why this is called extra chromosomal genetic material? Because this is the main genetic material of the DNA. That is the main genetic material. But this plasmid, this is the extra chromosomal material that may have found in some bacteria. So these are the different components found in case of your bacteria. Another part, that is your flagella. Suppose the flagella is present here. As you know that the flagella, they helps in the locomotion of this bacteria or the prokaryotic cell. So this is the detailed structure of the prokaryotic cell. Before that, again, another things is present in case of bacteria. Suppose this is the RNA, and during protein synthesis, the RNA involved with the ribosomes for the protein synthesis. Okay, we know that. And during protein synthesis, what happens? The mRNA join with these ribosomes, having larger and smaller subunits, and this beetle-like structure with this RNA, that is called as what? This is called as polyribosome. This is called as polyribosome, or simply this is called as polysome. Okay, so these are the structures or the parts of a typical prokaryotic cell. Okay, hope you understand this clearly. Thank you. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share my channel. Thank you.